Ever wondered how to create the perfect atmosphere for studying? We'll delve into the importance of lighting, color schemes, and even some indoor plants to boost your mood and focus. In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know to transform your study space into a haven of focus and productivity. From ergonomic furniture to lighting hacks, we've got you covered. We'll explore how to choose the right desk and chair to keep you comfortable during those long study sessions. Plus, I'll share some budget-friendly options for those of you on a tight budget. Alright, let's dive right in. Your ultimate destination for all things related to study environments and setups. Let's get started. Creating a good study environment and setup is essential for effective learning and productivity. Here are steps to help you build an optimal study environment. Choose the right location. Find a quiet and well-ventilated area where you can concentrate without distractions. Consider natural lighting, if possible, as it can help boost your mood and focus. Invest in ergonomic furniture. Get a comfortable chair and a desk of the right height to support good posture. Ergonomic furniture reduces the risk of physical discomfort during long study sessions. Organize your study space. Keep your study area tidy and clutter-free. A clean space can help reduce stress and increase concentration. Use storage solutions like shelves, drawers, or containers to keep your study materials organized. Adequate lighting. Ensure proper lighting with a desk lamp or overhead light. Natural light is ideal during the day. Adjust lighting to reduce glare on your computer screen or reading materials. Remove distractions. Put away your phone or place it on silent mode. Consider using apps or website blockers to minimize digital distractions. If possible, inform your family or roommates about your study schedule to minimize interruptions. Comfortable temperature. Maintain a comfortable room temperature, as extreme hot or cold conditions can be distracting. Create a study schedule. Establish a regular study schedule that aligns with your peak productivity hours. Consistency can help train your brain to focus during specific times. Personalize your space. Include personal touches to make the space inviting and uniquely yours. Gather study materials. Ensure all necessary study materials, such as textbooks, notebooks, pens, and digital devices, are within easy reach. Access to resources. Make sure you have access to reference materials and online resources relevant to your studies. Ergonomics and health. Adjust your chair, desk, and computer monitor to ergonomic positions to reduce strain on your body. Take short breaks to stretch and relax to prevent physical discomfort or eye strain. Set goals and stay organized. Set clear study goals and objectives for each session. Use a planner, to-do lists, or digital tools to keep track of assignments, deadlines, and progress. Stay hydrated and snack smart. Keep a water bottle and healthy snacks nearby to stay hydrated and maintain energy levels. Create a distraction-free digital environment. Organize your computer desktop and close unnecessary tabs or applications. Use digital productivity tools or apps designed for studying or time management. Reflect and adjust. Periodically evaluate your study environment and make adjustments as needed. What works for one person may not work for another, so tailor your setup to your preferences and needs. Remember that the ideal study environment and setup may vary from person to person. So experiment with different elements to find what works best for you. Consistency and adaptability are key to building a study environment that enhances your learning and productivity.